Good morning, all of you. My name is Shagufta Siddiqui. I am the student of B.Pharm third year from Hygiene Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, and my presentation topic is gastric proton pump inhibitors. Gastric proton pump inhibitors acid secretion in the parenteral cell lead to pumping of proton into the luminous of stomach by the membrane H plus K plus ATPase pump. In the parenteral cell, acid secretion occurs so that the acid secretion in parenteral cell lead to the pumping to the proton into the luminous of stomach. Luminous of stomach is nothing but interior parts of the stomach by the membrane H plus K plus ATPase pump. Inhibition of proton pump lead to the blockage of the gastric acid secretion. If we inhibit the H plus K plus ATPase pump, then gastric acid secretion into luminous of the stomach can be blocked. Proton pump inhibitors convert into sulfoxide derivative which are highly potent. This proton pump inhibitor often into gastrointestinal system. They will convert into sulfoxide derivative, so this sulfoxide derivative are highly potent drug. And there's some example of gastric proton pump inhibitor: OMEPRAZOLE, PANTOPRAZOLE, RABEPRAZOLE, LANSOPRAZOLE. First structure of OMEPRAZOLE. First structure is main zole, indicate it contain benzimidazole. So that is the first clue to you remember the structure of these proton pump inhibitors. So what is clue here? Zole, a zole indicate it contain benzimidazole. Benzimidazole group is present as here methoxy group is attached, and this site is pyridine ring is present. To this pyridine ring, two methyl group 1 methoxy group is present between the pyridine ring and benzimidazole. There is link, that is NOCH2 NO group is present. The bridge between imidazole and pyridine. This is the structure of omeprazole. Uses: to treat the heartburn, gastroesophageal reflux disorder, duodenal ulcer, erosive esophagus and gastric ulcer. Pantoprazole. Pantoprazole also contain benzimidazole and the basic nucleus. It also contain pyridine as the another basic nucleus. The pyridine condenses to methoxy group between the benzimidazole and pyridine. That between the benzimidazole and pyridine, that is the bridge CH2 is SO group present, and the imidazole OCHF2 is present. Uses: to treat erosive esophagus, Zollinger-Ellison syndromes. Rabeprazole. Rabeprazole also contain benzimidazole as the basic nucleus and pyridine. It contain and to the pyridine to the methylene group and OCH2 CH2 CH2 OCH3 is present. So methoxy propoxy group is present attached to the pyridine. In between benzimidazole and pyridine, CH2SO group is attached. This is the structure of the rabeprazole. Uses: to treat duodenal ulcer, to treat gastroesophageal reflux disorder, to treat at pylori infection. Lansoprazole. Lansoprazole also contain two basic nucleus, that is the benzimidazole and pyridine. Pyridine contain OCH2 CHF3 is present. It means trifluoromethyl group. This trifluoromethyl group to trifluoromethyl group CH2 oxygen is attached one more methyl group, or here the bridge between these two heterocyclic composite CH2SO group is present. That is the structure of lansoprazole. Uses: to treat gastric and duodenal ulcer, to treat gastrics associated with NSAIDs. Thank you.